In this video, I'm going to show you how to input an image of an equation sheet into your Canvas quiz if you want it to be visible to the students while they're using the Respondus browser. So this is a situation where you can't just open a PDF in a different tab because the Respondus browser won't let them go to that other tab. So here's how we have done it. I'll show you first what it looks like when we're done, and then show you how to do it. This is just a placeholder to be plugged in at a later time. When we scroll down, we can see that we have the constants with a PDF shown here. And then a complaint we got during the common final was that it was annoying for the students to be 50 pages or 50 questions down and have to scroll all the way to the top to see the sheet. And so what I've done is for next quarter, I have 3 of these in here. And so when the professors go to program in the exam, they can plug half of the questions in between the first and second one, and half of the questions in between the second and third one. And that way, they're never really that far away from a periodic table, either above or below them. And I'm hoping that that's going to help. So now let me show you how you go about doing this. I'm going to make a new quiz. And you're going to go into the Questions tab. That way it's still available even if the instructions are hidden. Even though you're not going to be making a question, you're going to go into New Question. And then down here you're going to scroll to Text, No Question. So that keeps it from being a question, but puts the text in for you. Now you'll come down into the box and you'll go into Files. If your course file is already there, you can pick it from over here. You'll want it to be a PDF, so I could type in the constants 1c. If you don't already have it, you'll need to go into File Upload, choose your file, and then browse there. For now, since I already have it, I'm just going to select it from here. Once you've put it in, if you save it right now, it's going to want to open it in a new tab, and that's not good enough. You need to make it show up in line. So click somewhere in the middle of the link so that your cursor is in the middle. Click here where it says Link to URL, and this is going to pull up the settings for the link. And then right here where it says Auto Open Inline Preview for this link, you'll select that, you'll update the link, you'll update the question, and then it will be here. From here you need to make sure you also save the exam, and then you'll be all set. We can preview it. You'll see that it shows up. And if you're going to have a lot of questions based on the feedback that we got from the common final, I would suggest having several of these along the quiz so that they're never too far away from their equation sheet.